Hey Emma, how are you today?
Hi, John. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Hey learners, today we are talking about tell me about yourself. This is a very important English question in real life.
Yes, people ask this in job interviews, at parties, or when meeting new friends.
Exactly. Emma, tell me about yourself.
Okay. Hi, my name is Emma. I'm 28 years old. I live in New York. I work as a teacher, and I love reading books and drinking coffee. What about you, John?
Nice. I'm John. I'm 30 years old. I live in California. I work in a bank, but my hobby is playing guitar and traveling. I also love playing with my dog.
That sounds fun. So learners, when someone says, tell me about yourself, you can talk about your name, age, job, where you live, and your hobbies. Keep it simple and natural.
Let's practice. Imagine you are in a job interview. Emma, tell me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Emma. I'm from Texas. I studied English at college. I enjoy teaching and helping people learn new languages. I'm a friendly and hardworking person.
Great. Very clear and confident.
Thank you. You can change the words to match your own life.
Yes, don't be nervous. Just speak slowly and smile.
True. Thanks for talking, John. See you later.
Bye, Emma. Have a great day, everyone.